Upcoming on this episode of RC Junkie.
Looks like the front bumper of this thing is off. Oh, that's a bad. That's a bad. Get set, go. Oh! Oh, wow. Oh! This X01 just has so much power. Oh! God! Oh! Oh my God! Dude! Look at this thing. It's got a little bit of mud on it.
Is it still working?
Yeah. Yeah, upon further inspection, looks like the front bumper of this thing is off. But, cool shot. Car still runs fine. Alright guys, now we're about to do a big jump. I have the one and only custom carbon fiber Xmaxx body on here for this special jump. We're gonna jump this entire creek, and it's probably not gonna make it across, but either way it's gonna be entertaining. But first, let's cue some slow motion footage.
Oh yeah, he did it. Attaboy.
Y'all go ahead and hit that like button for me. This is difficult, guys. Woo, woo. Oh! Good mark, get set, go. Oh, it's so close. That's a bash. That sounded like a gunshot. Is a bag. 1, 2, 3. And this will give you an idea of how tall it is. That's Dustin way up there.
This really is like a solid, I'm a solid 20 feet higher than he is.
I really always thought that quicksand was a myth. It's not. This reminds me of that scene in Dark Knight Rises where he tells him you have to do it as the child did it, without the rope.
As the child is. Without the rope.
Subscribe! Now we're doing it without the body on it, and that's what it's gonna take. Ready?
See, man.
I told you, you have to do it without, what's the word? The body shell. Man, I'm worn out.
Tell me how you feel.
I feel wet and muddy, and like Batman. What is going on? I am Bear Grylls. You have to lay down. I remember that episode. Do you remember that episode?
I remember it. Shows how you did it.
Yeah.
Shows how you got out, man. Shows how you got out of
Bear Grylls was not trying to ramp an Xmaxx across the creek.